stand on many of the issues of concern in this present situation, especially the issue of food security, poverty, the issue of human rights violations, violations of international law, especially in Palestine. And we reaffirm Indonesia's commitment to support all United Nations efforts, and we are willing to support. For instance, we are on record as saying that we will support peacekeeping forces in the event there's a possibility of ceasefire and the need for internationally mandated peacekeeping forces. We are ready to provide the forces.